How to replace the display panel hinges.
Caution. Observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, hard disk drive, base plate frame, display panel assembly, display panel bezel, and hinge covers. Note: your model may differ slightly from the one shown here, but the procedures are the same. Removal. Remove the 6 2.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws, 3 in each display panel hinge, that secure the display panel hinges to the display enclosure. Note: the left and right display panel hinges are different and cannot be interchanged. Lift and remove the left and right display panel hinges off of the display enclosure. Replacement. Place the left and right display panel hinges over the screw hole posts in the display enclosure. Note: the left and right display panel hinges are different and cannot be interchanged. Replace the 6 2.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws, 3 in each display panel hinge, to secure the display panel hinges to the display enclosure. Continue the reassembly. Replace the hinge covers, display panel bezel, display panel assembly, base plate frame, hard disk drive, wireless LAN module, battery, and base enclosure.